Magandang umaga po, good afternoon or good evening, depende po kung anong oras nyo na view ang video na ito. This is to announce, I'm making this video to announce that today, November 6, 2025, 10 o'clock in the morning, yung Facebook account po natin, yung official Facebook account ko po, was been hacked, plus including yung Facebook page natin, yung Bicuino Online. I really apologize, I was a little bit reckless. I was able to download a particular application kasi po mga kaditi, nag-a-apply po kasi tayo for the monetization of the Bicuino page. Actually, there is already an existing money in the Facebook page. Tapos may isang procedure po doon na dapat po nating i-follow para at least we can get the money out of the monetization tools sa Facebook page po natin. Mga $100 po yon. Pero unfortunately, yung sa pag-download po natin, I was so reckless, very reckless po. I forgot to check yung veracity of the website. Yung na-download natin, mali po pala. I was a victim of phishing basically. So, it's an irony. It's an irony on my part because supposedly I was trained as one of the 14 certified individuals, 14 certified individuals by the US Department of Justice. And as far as cybercrime response is concerned, pero ako mismo, nakakahiya nga because supposedly I should be the one who is very meticulous on that stuff, supposedly. Pero unfortunately, tao nga lang ako po, I committed a mistake. Error po, too reckless. So, sa pag-download ko po, because my intention was to transfer the amount coming from the Facebook page going to my ATM card sa bank account po natin. Kaya nga, na-hack po. I'd like also to request everyone, those persons who are listening to me right now, yung nakapag-view po, pasuyo po request. Very simple request mga kaditi. Pwede po ba makapaglagay po kayo ng announcement sa respective pages po ninyo, respective official account ninyo po, kindly post an announcement that will tell everyone, especially yung mga nakapag-transact po sa Bicuino book po, kindly post in your respective account an information that will tell the public na na-hack po yung Bicuino Online, pati na yung official Facebook page po natin para ang lahat will be informed. At least, yan na lang po ang pwede nyong maitulong nyo po sa akin. By far, sa awa naman ng Diyos, yung YouTube account natin, okay pa naman. Ang hack lang is talaga yung Facebook page and yung official Facebook account ko po. I am really trying my best right now to recover it. To recover everything, okay? Pero pag in kaso, pag hindi talaga ma-recover natin, I have to wait for around 1 week. I hope I can recover it as soon as possible kasi ang daming transaction doon. Pag hindi talaga siya ma-recover within the week, I will make another account. Wala na po tayo magawa dyan. Hindi lang po tayo magpa-stress. We have to be pliant as a bamboo. So, di na lang tayo ma-stress. Pag hindi po ma-recover within the week, gagawa po ako ng bagong Facebook page. Gagawa po tayo ng bagong Facebook account in case hindi siya ma-recover. Pero, rest assured that I am doing my best para ma-recover po yung account para at least malaking tulong po yan sa mga criminologist at the same time sa mga aspiring R-Crim po na gusto makapagkuha ng lisensya. Yan po ang ano natin Yan po ang plataforma natin para ma-announce po natin yung mga updates sa criminology profession. So pasensya na po talaga sa lahat po na nakapag-transact. Di pa ako makapag-communicate ngayon. I'm just using my cellphone number para at least I can communicate with my family, makapag-communicate po sa mga important persons in life. Okay? So, pwede ba mga kaditi, pakipost na lang sa video na ito. Pakipost na lang please sa respective wall nyo and then make an announcement. Maraming salamat Thank you so much for understanding. Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng tutulong to spread the news about our Facebook page and official Facebook account na NAC. Maraming salamat mga kaditi. God bless everyone. Hindi lang po tayo magpa-stress. Nangyari na ang nangyari. Wala na tayong magawa dyan. All I have to do is to do my best para ma-recover na natin ang account. Maraming salamat and God bless. Salute to everyone.